What's up, guys? Welcome to another episode of Get Real Bass Fishing. Today we are going on the maiden voyage of this old boat. Fisker Outdoor Adventures got a brand new boat, and this is the one we're going out on. Hopefully we catch something good and it actually floats. I am just praying that it floats, because I'm gonna lose a lot of camera gear. I mean, my pregnant wife is gonna be soaked and have to float back. But anyway, I'm here with Erica. Oh, sorry. I'm here with Erica, and Brian's over there parking the truck. We're gonna head on out, go for some porgy, see if there's any bluefish, sea robins, shark, those little sand shark boys, the little dogfish, and see if there's any fluke out here. Hopefully there's something good. I want to catch something on this boat for the first time. Let's go. So are you excited to get onto the boat?
I am, yeah. I've taken a lot of Dramamine, so I'm gonna be good, hopefully.
Yeah, hopefully. Zippy. Put on the SP. Put on the bunker one. There we go.
Which one do you have on?
Bone. Striper.
That?
Yep. Sorry, it's a little guy. Little schoolie. It's got stripes. So.
Tag.
You sure you want to tag him or just let him go? Give him a smoke and send him off. He's
21.
21 inches?
Alright.
Alright, cool. So that was the first fish of the day.
First fish
on our first stop. And for first fish, we tagged him for GFR, 21 inches. Nice little striped bass, light tackle from the boat. Let's go. Yeah, of course cast your 12 o'clock. You're freaking in them. Good job, right there, Bob. You're gonna get him. Give it like crazy twitches.
What is sea robin?
Huh. Nice.
I watched him get it.
Topwater.
No, it's an SP. Wow, he's fat.
First fish on the boat.
Yeah.
Nice.
Wow, their eyes are so cool. Goodbye, my friend.
What'd you get him on?
on a bunker SP.
Nice. We're following the birds, following the bait. I had 2 hookups and I dropped, actually I had 3 hookups, dropped 2, and I caught 1 striper. And that seems to be all the action we're seeing. Erica actually had some stripers come up towards her bait and then turn away at the boat. I had the same thing. And now we're gonna go try to go get something on the bottom. And if something comes up before that or during that, we're gonna go after them. Let's go. There we go. Bird is a bird. 2 birds. Ah, bobcast.
Nice sized bird. That's like edible bird. That goes in the cooler.
You really want them?
Yeah.
All right. Here we are catching sea robins on SPs. And he's eating my finger. Look at that fish. What a beautiful fish. Mwah! Into the cooler you go.
Within a fry.
Excuse me, sir. Can you come to the boat, please?
Nice bird, Bob.
Feels heavy.
It's a big one.
That's good.
I could have won the sea robin Calcutta.
Yeah, we would have been $1,000 more rich.
Yeah, $900 for a sea robin.
Yeah, you would have won. Holy crap.
Excuse me, sir. Excuse me. Oh, I got him through both lips.
Oh. Ah, the birds.
That's a little one.
I'm not gonna say anything. There we go. I see him.
What?
I see his bird. I got his bird.
Wow, he's
Yeah.
stupid.
That's funny.
Come on, man. You just got caught. How are you going to do that job?
Intelligent soul. He enjoyed the kiss, he wanted another. Compare notes.
He might be a different bird. Do you want him?
Yeah, he's a good size. Bigger than the one I had.
Wow, look at that. On the good old spiked silicone jig. My first one. Actually, no, I take that back. I caught him at the... Look at those colors. Oh,
3 of them down there.
Erica's on one.
Look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 5
Hang on,
of them.
let me drop.
Just drop.
Oh, I got him. I got him. It didn't even go. Oh. They're still there. Oh.
Dropping real sea robins.
Oh. There's like a dozen of
I
them.
know.
What? There. Oh, come on. They're just playing it. They're, oh, they swam away. Oh, no, they came back.
You see them all? There's
Yep.
so many. Oh my gosh. I counted 5 of them.
There we go. Me and Erica are doubled up with the birds. I'm gonna throw this one back. All right, I guess he's staying with us. He went in my backpack. Nice fish. More birds. Mwah. Another one. I got another jig if you want it, Brian. Another bird on the jig. Mwah. There you go.
Look, see? Fight over it. Fight over it. Like the same bucktail. So he's right down there. Oh, get him! Get him!
Erica's got a bird. Brian's got a bird on my jig. Nice. Double up birds. Now, can I make it a triple?
There's a lot of them down there.
Yeah, I got him. Yep. Wow, look at that one. That's a nice one. I saw him take it. You want him?
Yep.
Wow, look at that fish. I want to measure this one.
Full of sea robins. Who was the winning?
At 2 pounds.
2.4 pounds.
Big one. Come on.
What a beautiful bird. Big bird on a jig. Mwah. So all we're doing for these little sea robins is just, we're basically seeing them down there. We're only in maybe 8 feet of water, and we're just pitching out the smooch and release silicone jigs that you can buy on smoochandrelease.com/shop with a little curly tail grub on the end of it, and just letting them drift as we're drifting backwards, giving it a couple twitches, getting that curly tail to just spin around, giving it a couple twitches, getting it off the bottom, getting them to, you know, enticing them to come up and go after it. And we're actually visually seeing with our polarized sunglasses the fish down on the bottom going after our baits. It's pretty cool. It's like sight fishing for sea robin. And hey, apparently they taste really good. I don't know. Erica's gonna find out tonight, but apparently they taste really good and they put a bend in your rod. So I'll take it instead of chasing around birds that don't have any stripers or blues under it. There we go. Bluefish.
Yeah?
Yep. Can you reel up mine? Nice. Oh, it's a striper. What the heck? Did you see how he was doing the head shakes?
Yeah.
Little schoolie. The little dude.
All right, well, Paulie got another nice little striper. Got a little sea lice on it right there. Oh no, that's dirt from the boat. So, little 20-inch schoolie bass. Just throwing a SP minnow out there. So we're gonna let this guy go. We tagged him for GFR, and we're gonna see where this one goes. Hopefully, you know, we get results that he swam down to Maryland and got caught in the Chesapeake.
Whoa. We're all dropping for porgy, and I was like, yeah, whatever. Let's just, no one was picking up anything. Erica had that little tiny sea robin, but I decided to pick up the SP and cast it out. A couple casts in, I got that little striper. Let's see if there's any more. All right, so clearly we're not out on the water anymore. We're back at the docks. We are gonna go home and do a catch and cook. Erica's really looking forward to cooking up those sea robins, and Brian's gonna fillet it for us. So we're gonna head home now, and we're gonna cook up some sea robin, do a little catch and cook, have some fun. First time on the channel that we're actually doing this. So I'm pretty stoked to see the fish being cooked and seeing Erica's reaction to sea robin, because Brian says it's really, really good. Let's go.
She's calling me. Nothing rainbow. She's calling me. Nothing rainbow.
Pretty.
Nothing rainbow.
All right, so we are here back at the place, and Brian is gonna fillet some of these jumbo sea robins that we have, and we're gonna get some slow-mo action of it because it's gonna be really, really awesome, right?
Awesome.
All right,
How very awesome.
let's go.
Let's go. Alright, so we are going to prep our sea robin that I just filleted to go on the grill. So first I take a piece of tin foil, and then I use extra virgin olive oil in a spray, which works out good, and just spray the foil so that it doesn't stick. We're going to take our 2 fillets, nice and cleaned, no pin bones. We just lay it like that. We take some of our diced onion and put it on the top. And then I'm going to put some Goya Perfect seasoning. Sprinkle that. And I like this Simply Asian sweet ginger garlic. Take some Himalayan pink salt, not too much because you don't want to kill it with salt. Now you can do things like Parmesan to make it like encrusted if you were going to bake it, and open it up under the broiler real quick to encrust it. But I think this is going to be just enough. And then I need a pat of butter. The key to having the fish cooked correctly is folding the foil correctly. Alright, so I take the second piece, I put it over the top, and then I fold up the one side about an inch before the fillet. Nice and tight, little folds. And do the other side the same way, that little ½ inch fold. And keep it nice and flat so that you're tightening the foil as it goes. And what this does is this seals the foil up so that when it starts to cook, the foil is actually going to blow up almost like Jiffy Pop popcorn. Let's head on out to the grill. We got the grill nice and hot. We're going to set it on the grill, and in about, those are small fillets, so in about 10 minutes we will have delicious what did we catch?
Sea robin.
Sea robins. We did catch striped bass. Well, somebody did. Not me. Not you. Oh, him.
So all this prepping for food is for Erica and Brian. I can't eat fish, so I guess I'll just know if it's good by... If Erica thinks it's good, then it's very good. If she doesn't think it's good, then... Right?
Yeah, I'm not really a big fish eater, but not because I don't like it, just because I never ate it before. So...
Yeah, and I'm the guy that caught the striped bass, by the way.
That's how you know it's cooking correctly. That's how you know you folded the foil correctly. It's all sealed in there and it's cooking in its own juices. We got a few more minutes and it'll be ready. It smells awesome. It's really hot, I could tell you that. So, ooh, wow. Look at that. That's some yummy looking fish. That's delicious. For dinner, I might have to have the rest of it. Now you know your wife's not going to try this now that she's eating Mr. Softy.
So?
It's delicious.
It smells so good.
That's it?
All right, face the camera so we get your reaction.
Smells good. Oh, it's very good.
Right? Nice mild fish.
It doesn't taste fishy at all. It tastes like chicken.
We should just eat chicken.
It tastes like chicken.
There's a bird.
Sorry. You can't eat it. I mean, it's horrible. You're not missing anything.
No, it smells so good. I wish I could have some.
So, and when it was on the grill, the whole thing was puffed out
Yeah.
the way it was supposed to be. 10 minutes. Done. So you like?
Yeah, it doesn't taste fishy at all.
All right, thank you guys for watching. If you want more of this type of stuff like catch and cooks, then let us know in the comment section below. I think I'm gonna go get allergy tested again to make sure I can have some fish, because that smelled really, really good, and I want it. And Erica wants to try some fish too. But yeah, and Charlie's making fish, so I want to be able to catch some fish and eat it. If you guys want more, let us know in the comment section below. Thank you to Brian for bringing us on his boat for as short as we were. And I got on some stripers, so I'm pretty cool with that. Sea robins, they were fun. They were just going after our little silicone jigs, and we were watching them attack them. And
SP minnows.
And SP minnows.
They went after everything.
They went after everything we threw. It was insane with the sea robins today. But yeah, thanks for taking us out.
My pleasure. My pleasure. It's always great having friends out on the boat and getting them on fish. The stripers were definitely a great surprise today.
And we had a bunch of them follow up too.
Yeah, had a bunch of follow-ups. Paulie caught, actually we landed 2. We tagged them and released them. So we tagged them for GFR, Gray Fish Tag Research. And it'd be really awesome if one of them actually got recaptured and we see where it goes. You know, whether or not they're resident fish that hang up in the Nissaquag there, or if they're you know, fish that traveled. So only time will tell.
Only time will tell. If you guys want to follow him, I'll link his Instagram and his YouTube below. He does both of them. He's got a couple of videos he has to upload, so he's got some cool stories to tell. Go follow him on YouTube and Instagram. With that being said, thank you guys for watching. Stay real, smooch and release, and have some fun
on the water.
We'll see you next time. Boom.
It's too slow.
For the ocean, I will be long gone.